How to check message requests on Snapchat without being friends. First thing you do is open up your Snapchat. And now once you land on your Snapchat page, you just have to head over to your profile icon at the top left corner. Then you just have to scroll down until you find My Friends. Just tap on it. And if you don't see your friend or from which you've gotten a message here on the list, that means here on the Add Friend suggestion, you can tap on it and see if that profile is here. Now, once you get anyone's message here that is not your friend here, you will be seeing it on your inbox. So let me just show you guys. Here you will get the option for the messages. So I've sent a message from my other account. All you need to do is just tap and hold on it and then swipe right like this and it will view the message. And once you've tapped on it, you will be able to see the message even if you're not their friend. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.